Do you see what I see? Look at this. So beautiful. Gotta put a bass in it. Beautiful. Oh.
Take yourself upon that.
Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl.
This is pretty. This is gorgeous. Actually gorgeous. Do you see what I see? Look at this. Nothing. I didn't use any glue, melting spray, nada. I just tinted the lace, threw her on, sleeked her down. So beautiful. Like, gotta put a bass in it. Beautiful. Okay.
As you can see, I fell in love with this wig. Let's get into the details. In the bag, you got your HD wig cap, adjustable strap, and extra combs. This is a 6x5 HD lace closure wig with beautiful burgundy color, 16 inches long, pre-curled, pre-cut, pre-plucked. Girl, it's ready to wear. I literally took it out of the bag and put it on my head. I did a little tweaking, but that's it. I didn't have to add anything to it. You'll see. Look at the curls. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Full straight to the ends. Beautiful. Did I mention it was beautiful? Pre everything. Look at that lace. I didn't even tint it. Look, look. Girl, got your comb so you could extra security, and it's a breathable cap. You can see my finger through it. You can just tell that this lace is gonna melt. I mean, look, right into my finger, my hand. I'm ready. Look at that. I tinted the lace. That's all I did, and added the adjustable strap that they give you. It comes with the grip on it. You see that? Look, that's gonna hold on to the back of your neck. All you gotta do is slide it on. You know, some wigs have this removable band, but it slips off when you put it on. This one didn't. That's one thing that one of the things that I like about this wig. I like a lot about this wig, but the band not slipping off is amazing. Like, literally, it'd be so annoying for me. Let me know if that happens to you. It happens to me at times. So I tuck in the combs on the side, and it lays comfortably around the ears. I was making sure I have it set up right, and look, comfortably around the ears. Beautiful. Love a good comfortable wig. Girl, I can't talk. Love a good comfortable wig, and something that you could just put on and go. Look, so pretty. I was so hyped. I couldn't stop smiling. Look, I was debating to myself, like, should I add some melting spray? Do I need to add some melting spray? Yes, you can, but you don't need to. You'll see. Look at that. All I'm doing is making sure that you flatten that down. You don't want no bumpy wig. Come on now. We don't need no bumpy ride. We want it smooth sailing, please. So we're gonna sleek her down. Look, I told you, cannot stop laughing because I'm so hyped. So pretty. Look at this. Look at you, Werner. But no, seriously, this wig is so pretty. Did I mention it was pretty? Girl, the hair is really soft, and I'm brushing through it because I can't stop touching it, and the curls hasn't really dropped that much. Look, it's just flowing, and it didn't drop. It's holding. Look at me. Look, bouncy, beautiful. And when I tell you I couldn't stop touching it, I'm so surprised that it didn't drop all the way because I kept touching the hair because it's so pretty. Let me know below how many times I said pretty in this video, because I feel like I said that like so many times. Let me know, girl. I am done. The install is done, by the way. If you're still hanging around, if you can't tell, the install is done. Beautiful.
pretty. I mean, this is so pretty. I had to stop and talk to you face to face, girl, right here. Me and you. I didn't do anything to this. I just added the concealer, tinted the lace, and slapped this baby on. Look. Like, if you see anything, you could dab a little makeup, hide it. I'm tempted to use the melting spray, but I don't need to. Literally don't need to do anything else. The color is so pretty. It is so soft. The curls, girl, curls for the girls. I am in love with this. I'll have this also linked below if you're interested in this. It's a whole dress. So cute. This hair though. Oh my God, I'm gonna switch to a side part because why not? What do you think of the side part? What do you think of the side part, girl? So pretty. Love this. This might be my birthday wig and outfit. And my birthday is the 28th of July. This might be it. I found her. The whole ensemble. Ensemble? Ensemble. You know what I mean. Everything will be linked in the description below. Let me know what you think. If you have made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.